Hello and welcome to this video about how to start affiliate marketing with no money in 2023. Affiliate marketing is a popular and effective way to earn money online, but it can seem daunting if you don't have any upfront capital to invest. However, it is possible to start affiliate marketing with no money, and in this video, we'll show you how. First, let's define affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards affiliates for each customer brought to the business by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. In other words, you earn a commission by promoting other people's products and services. So how can you start affiliate marketing with no money? Here are some tips. Use free resources. There are many free resources available online that can help you get started with affiliate marketing, such as blogs, forums, and social media groups. Take advantage of these resources to learn more about the industry and connect with other affiliates. Use free marketing channels. There are also many free marketing channels that you can use to promote affiliate products, such as social media, your own website or blog, and online communities. Find affiliate programs with no upfront costs. Many affiliate programs do not require any upfront investment, so you can start promoting their products and earning commissions right away. Consider starting a blog or YouTube channel. If you have a passion for a particular topic, you could start a blog or YouTube channel and use it to promote affiliate products. While there may be some upfront costs involved in starting, use your existing skills and resources. Think about what skills or resources you already have that you can use to start affiliate marketing. For example, use social media marketing experience to promote affiliate products or offer management services, earning a commission through affiliate marketing. Or if you are a good writer, you could create content for other websites or blogs in exchange for a commission. Be patient and persistent. Starting any business, including affiliate marketing, takes time and effort. It's important to be patient and persistent, and to continually learn and improve your skills. By following these tips and staying committed to your goals, you can start affiliate marketing with no money and build a successful business. Good luck and happy marketing! And please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more informative videos and give this video a like.